हिंदी चित्रपटसृष्टीतील दिग्गज कलाकार आणि युवा पिढीच्या गळ्यातील ताईत असलेल्या किंग खान अर्थात शाहरुख खाननं भारताच्या 38व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचं उद्घाटन केलं। यावेळी मनोगत व्यक्त करताना गोवा जगातील सुंदर राज्य असल्याचं सांगत महोत्सवाचं उद्घाटन करण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल त्यानं धन्यवाद व्यक्त केला।
As you become a part of the world through your films and work, you're not just out racing the world, you're taking the world with you. So let us dedicate this festival to independence from loneliness. I wish you all creative minds here, all filmmakers, everybody in the fraternity, loads of independence in creativity and freedom to create dreams and make us feel complete. I also like to just mention again, Shekhar is here, and Munshi Saab said one line that Shekhar told me many years ago, and which is true, which Munshi Saab also mentioned today, that it is not special to be special. It really is special to be ordinary. So let's dedicate the International Film Festival of India and its 30th edition, 2007, here in the beautiful settings of Goa to ordinary people. Thank you very much for having me. Thanks a lot.
उद्घाटनाच्या या समारंभात मनोगत व्यक्त करताना प्रियरंजन दास मुंशी यांनी आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचं गोवा हेच कायमस्वरूपी केंद्र राहील अशी घोषणा केली।
Very clear. In the approach of our government, Goa should continue to grow, to build up the ultimate brand name of the festival, while considering the size of this country, which is almost like a continent. We have planned to have very many festivals at the state level, regional level, even on topical issues. But that will not prevent Goa to continue as the venue of our International Film Festival.
Viva Goa!